Welcome back, JP Production Squad. I feel like it's been a minute, It's been a minute and I haven't posted in a while, so that's also annoying because the weather, it's always raining and something always comes up. So I've been recently moving mechanical workshops, our own family business mechanical workshop, Victory Auto Repairs. So yeah, we moved to Zetland, so it's been annoying and I haven't had time to film for a couple of weeks. So let's crack onto the video, guys. We are unboxing the GoPro 8 Black and we're gonna see what this bad boy can do, really, what it's capable of. I hope you guys are excited about today. We're gonna test its limits at our workshop and see what's good with this GoPro 8 Black. And stay tuned, guys. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you soon.
Never let me go, right here in your arms is where I wanna be.
Welcome back, guys. So today let's jump into the video, and today we're opening GoPro itself, the tripod mounts, the rechargeable battery, and the sleeve for the protection of the GoPro. The Hero 8 Black is an awesome little camera that is waterproof to under 33 feet deep and is small and convenient to carry around. Let's go ahead and open it. You see the GoPro Hero 8 Black, it's mounted to the buckle and needs to be taken off counterclockwise. So let's go ahead and do that now. As we open up the box, it comes with one GoPro Hero 8 battery. Also comes with one curved adhesive mount. And a charging cable to charge your GoPro. Once you're done with the box, you can just yeet it. Next, we're going to open the tripod mounts. This unique tripod is a clippable clip that connects to the bottom of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. And this is another mount that can be threaded through the GoPro legs for perfect stabilization. And what we have here is a tripod stand that gets those clean cut shots. With the GoPro Hero 8 Black bundle, it comes with an extra rechargeable battery pack that is always good for when you're out on a long day's worth of filming and you need to switch batteries. And last but not least is extra protection. And nothing says extra protection like having a GoPro Hero 8 Black sleeve.
Chris speaking.
Yo, I hope you all enjoyed that video and me introducing my family mechanical business in a montage way. So, you know, I enjoyed it. Hope you guys did too. And in showcasing the new GoPro Hero Black, which was amazing to work with. Like, it was so cool learning new techniques with the GoPro 8, and I feel like that's what I'm going to be using for my upcoming videos. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next upcoming video, which will be the Batman reaction video, the Robert Pattinson
I'm Batman.
The new Batman trailer that everyone's been going on about. So I'm keen for that, and I'll catch you guys soon.
down.